Hey, it's Eddie again, Multi-Man Services. We're here in Beloit, Wisconsin on a home that's on the Rock River. And what we're going to do is do an outdoor property assessment to see how we can help this home get the sidings washed up, get the planter boxes possibly installed, pre-made off the internet. So all we got to do is just get the house washed. A couple of suggestions while I'm here. I'd like to get this brick area really good and clean as part of our house wash. We film these videos to kind of help you understand exactly what we see, and our crews at the same time, when they come here, they'll also be able to see what all the things that we want to make sure we get, instead of just showing up and doing a normal splash and dash. So a couple of other things I wanted to notify is so after we get those things washed up while we're here, I'd like to get these branches trimmed back away from your house. If you don't have anybody for that yet, there are some options available for that. Let me flip this camera around. Talk a little bit about what else we can do to get your home to be performing at optimal performance. Let's get these branches trimmed away here as well as over here. We're going to do an outdoor wash, get all your screens cleaned, wash all your windows. My preference would be the outdoor only, but if you really want the indoor, we can get that taken care of for you as well. I think that it would be a good idea for us to get some gutter guards installed on your home. That way your downspouts and your gutters will perform and function properly in between over the years. So once every 3 to 5 years, we still encourage to have somebody get the debris off the top of your roof, as well as sections like this right here will get all the debris off. So I'm noticing some dysfunction on this side of the house. It looks like the gutter systems up there are working decent, other than being full of debris. But right now the water is only exhausting out of this gutter over here, and it looks like this gutter may be hanging low or could benefit from an additional downspout. So I think my best strategy would be for us to re-secure this gutter to hang where it is, and then also add an additional downspout so that it goes out away from the house and we don't have to worry about all this overspill problems over here. If you're also noticing these black streaks up here, that's just the shading, and you got some more black streaks over here. So while we're here, if you'd like, what we can do is do a roof soft wash and get all those organics off of your shingles. It'll make your shingles look new. And then that's step one of a 3-step roof restoration system. Your roof is in good health now. It's happy, and we want to keep it that way. So before your roof gets old and brittle, what we can do is get it cleaned, do a minor roof tune-up everywhere where we have lots of flashings potentially lifting up, and then we'll put new rubber grommet screws, seal up any potential leak-prone areas on your roof, and then we'll apply a rejuvenation treatment on the entire roof. It makes the roof look like it has an Armor All treatment temporarily. But what that does is it reintroduces more flexibility back into the roof. It allows for your shingles to perform like they should, be able to expand and contract with the hot and cold weather that we have here in Wisconsin. So that's the plan for this home. Obviously, various different maintenance solutions that we can go about doing here on this property. Where do you stop? Sometimes what we'll do is we can also do a soft wash treatment on your concrete patio here and get all the green and the black mold off. I know that in the past we installed this gutter over here, and that seems to be functioning good, which the purpose of that was to help keep that door cleaner. So the door is a lot cleaner. There is a little bit of green algae developing just for normal non-awning protective features, so as water splashes onto it, continues to get dirty. With our house washing service, we can get that door cleaned up again, make sure that this gutter is flushed out for the weatherman action here. Make sure that this gutter is flushed out the way it should. Otherwise, Eddie with Multi-Man Services here for your maintenance solutions here in Beloit, Lake Geneva, Rockford, Janesville, and surrounding areas. Look forward to helping you. Thanks for watching this video, and take care.